Hello friends, I am Sim and welcome to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. Today I am going to draw a cute bathtub. Yes, it's very easy and it's a cute drawing. So let's start. First of all, we'll draw the two straight lines. Just draw with me, follow my steps, and you can also draw it very easily. One line. Now draw the another. Okay, draw these two lines. Now draw the bathtub. Okay. Okay, bathtub is, I have drawn the bathtub. Now draw the bottom of the feet on which it stands. Okay, now we'll draw the bubbles. Okay, so these are the soap bubbles. Now draw the shower. Again draw two straight lines. Vertically, these were horizontally and this is vertical. Now make a curve and draw the shower. Okay, water droplets and a small ducky on the soap bubbles. Okay, isn't it so cute? Yes, now draw the eyes. Cheeks. And a small little heart. And our cute bathtub is ready. Now start coloring it. I am using dark pink crayon to color it. Also the spots attached will be of dark pink color. Now color the shower. Now make an outline with dark pink crayon, the bathtub, in a small little heart and also in the cheeks. Now I'll color my bathtub with light pink color crayon. Let's color it. Now color the eyes with black color crayon. Okay, now do a little coloring in soap bubbles with light blue color crayon. I am just making a highlight of it with this light blue color crayon. Color the droplets, water, and again some more soap bubbles. And finally, color this cute duckling with yellow crayon. And our cute, nice, beautiful bathtub is ready. So friends, if you like my videos, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Be Artistic with Sim. For more such interesting videos, stay tuned to my channel. Till then, keep watching, keep creating. Okay, bye bye, take care.